Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase my stacker bars. Now these are the 10-ounce stacker bars from the Scottsdale Mint, and whenever I show these off in a video I always get a lot of people ask me where I got them from, how much I paid for them, and they often say how nice they look. Now they are my favourite bars by far. These, like I said, are 10-ounce bars, so I've got a stack of 10 here, so we have 100 ounces here in total. And like I said, these are actually my favourite bars. So I really like picking these up. They do contain a bit of a premium, purely because of the kind of novelty factor. And also because Scottsdale Mint is a very highly sought after mint. It's a very popular mint. And they just produce fantastic silver. Look at these security features. You've got this swirl effect. It makes it hard to counterfeit. They're all serialised as well. And they just look really nice pieces of silver. And obviously you've got the added bonus that they actually stack on top of each other. Now these were all purchased from different places. Some of them were purchased directly from Scottsdale Mint via their eBay page. Some of them were brought from Sean Oliver, who's a bullion dealer here on YouTube. Some of them were brought from the Silver Forum. Some of them were just brought from online bullion dealers on websites here in the UK. So they've all been sourced from different places, and they've obviously all cost slightly different prices. Now the ones that were pre-owned I saved VAT on. However, the ones I brought straight from the mint I had to pay VAT and import charges and all the rest of it, so that obviously boosted those ones up. But as an average I paid roughly £250 per bar. So £2,500 worth of silver just in this one stack. And that is exactly how much fiat currency we have sitting here for you today, £2,500. So to give it a visual, all of this fiat currency is what I had to spend out to buy these bars. So you can see a large amount of money has gone into the stacker bars. Now I wanted to explain the reasons behind why I like converting my fiat currency into precious metals. And this is for the kind of newer stacker, the person that's researching and investing and researching precious metals and trying to understand why we like transferring our fiat into this stuff. Now, like I've said before, I'm not a financial advisor, so always make your own investment decisions. It's your money. You've got to be confident where you're investing it. But I want to show you a couple of charts that I've researched for you today. The first one is the purchasing power of the pound. So you can see that this chart goes all the way back to 1975 and up to 2015. And it's one of the only charts I could find on this that actually gave it an actual visual. But you can see the purchasing power of the pound has dramatically dropped over a long period of time. Now you can see there, that's the source of this website if you want to go and have a look yourself, ons.gov.uk. So it goes to show you that over a long period of time, due to inflation, your fiat currency is getting eaten away and it can buy less and less as the years go on. Now on the other hand, let me show you the charts of silver. Now this is the last 40 years, and you can see that although it's been fairly consistent for a number of years and it has spiked up, and now we're actually below slightly the all-time high, as a kind of general theme, it is either staying roughly the same or slowly increasing. And you can see that the difference in those two charts is actually crazy to think that one of them is straight down and continues to drop due to inflation, and the other one is, like I said, either staying fairly consistent or slowly increasing over time. And you can also see at the top there, it says in green, 154% increase in the spot price over the last 40 years in silver. So that is the kind of reason to make it very visual and very simple for those of you that are looking into stacking precious metals. That is why we like to convert our fiat currency, which is losing its purchasing power year over year due to inflation. If, say, for example, the inflation rate is sitting at 10%, that means that every single year your purchasing power is reducing by 10%. So in 1 year, if you had £2,500, for example, £250 of this would be lost in purchasing power due to inflation. So although you've still got the same amount of money on paper, it can actually buy you a lot less. Now that is shown to be different in the charts that go back hundreds of years, to do with precious metals, gold and silver. If you convert this stuff into this stuff over a long period of time, it is shown to rise and not fall. So let me know what you think about that. Just another visual there to kind of show you the reasons why we convert this into this. Let me know your thoughts on that. I hope that also answers some questions that people have been asking, where I picked these up and how much I paid for them. That works out £25 roughly an ounce I paid for these in total per ounce. And again, you can get cheaper when you're buying bars, but you do expect to pay a bit of a premium when you're picking up kind of more bespoke, kind of collectible, cool stacking bars, if you like. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video. Hope that was a nice, interesting visual. And like I said, this stack roughly cost £2,500, and that is the reason why I will continue to convert this stuff into this stuff. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I hope you have a nice day.